This model kit review is of the Mazda Roadster RF. I guess this is the MX-5 Miata. Yep, there we go. 1/24 scale model by Tamiya. We've got two different versions here. The US version and the Japanese version. Left-hand and right-hand drive. And different colors. And some details here. Different color there. That's a European version. Let's have a look inside and see what we got. Well, let's start off with the body. A very small little sports car, and do have some nice recessed panel lines. This is going to be removed here. There's the MX-5 Miata front bumper, but beautifully molded here. Here are some chrome parts with headlights, and nicely painted. We've got our glass. And there's our front windshield. We've got lights, tail and rear. Looks like glass for our side mirrors, interesting. And then side glass here. So here's our chrome parts. We've got some lights, looks like. And probably some exhaust parts there. Nice chrome. Here we've got our glass. Looks like we've got our front windshield there, and some headlight glass, tail lights, and then we've also got our side glass there as well as the rear. There's the defroster. We do have some masks and decals as well as some metal parts. That's a very nice touch. I love the way those metal parts are done. Okay, here we've got the black sprue, and there is our cabin with the central console and area for the seats. We've got the insides of the doors there, very nicely molded. There's the roof, got our steering column there. Looks like a little antenna, grill area there. There's the front grill. We've got some suspension parts, all very nicely molded. You can do left-hand or right-hand drive. Here, actually it's that way. It's up there. And then that's the, I guess the rain fascia or collecting area for underneath the windshield. Left-hand or right-hand. Windshield wipers go in there. And then we've got our, depending if it's left-hand or right-hand drive, we've got our instrument panels there, and then windshield wipers. Beautifully molded. Okay, here we've got our seats, two seats. The backs are open. Hopefully we'll have the back parts elsewhere. Here are, well, there's another roof area, I guess, depending which version you're making. And we've got some wheels, very nice wheels. Have the chassis here. Look at that, all that detail. That's just amazing. That really is amazing. There's no engine, it doesn't look like. It's just a blank engine cover and the transmission. More subframe parts. We've got our hubs front here with steering, rear. Here's our axle, steering rack there. Pre-license plates here. More suspension parts, coilovers. There's our pedal box, our side mirrors and door parts there, drive shaft. But lots and lots of detail here, and beautifully molded. Okay, 2 more seats, different types here, and different wheels. We've got another steering wheel here, we've got our exhausts and muffler, but beautifully molded. Here are our tires with some tire tread there. It's quite nice and soft. And here is the sheet with the details about the MX-5. The paint and decal guide, 4 different versions here. Japanese, British, US and European. There's it from the side. Shows you where to put the decals and the metal. The metal parts are just amazing. Okay, here are the instructions, and those are the colors needed there. So let's have a look at these instructions. It's a long sheet here. So 4 different versions you can build. It also looks like you can do closed top or open top. I guess just that extra piece there. And gunmetal is what they're recommending you paint the color. I guess you can paint it any color you want, but that's the body color. I'm going to start off here with the front suspension and axles, and then build a rear axle suspension. I'm going to put that on the chassis, and then I'm going to put the wheels together. So A is the Japanese version, that's that one, there's all the rest of them. I'm going to put the wheels and exhaust on there. We're going to start to build the instrument panel. So we've got left and right hand drives, and that's the dashboard, all those pieces going on, putting the rest of the cabin together. And the seats and dashboard being mounted, and then we've got the door insides there, and well, then we've got the interior being, with the cabin being mounted on the chassis. So if you're building with the open top, then the top is supposed to be stored down in there. Okay, let's have a look at the other side here. We've got the body with all those pieces going together. We've got the windshield and other body trim pieces going in there. I'll paint black on the underside there. We've got the glass, and then we've got the ducts and air intakes, headlights, and then we've got our tail lights, different versions there, different parts of it. So it's A, B, C and D. And we've got our windshield wipers, and then the body is finally mounted on the chassis, and we've got our license plates going on there. So all in all, that is a very nicely molded kit. We've got a lot of details, some nice options there, and that'll be an amazing build.